Good afternoon, friends. So today encounter one of the problem that I want to send an Excel file which is more than 20 MB. Fine. So I want to send this file on email, but as you know that more than 20 MB, you won't be able to send. Not on Gmail, not on Outlook. So what we have to do, we have to reduce the file size of this. How we can do it? We cannot delete the data, but we want to send the data to the clients. So what I'll do, I'll open that file. If you see, the total number of rows are 8,80,000. I want to send these details. So what I'll do, I'll select the complete data, okay, till the end. Insert pivot table. If you see the range, it is from A1 to 8,80,000. I'll click OK. Now this created the blank pivot. I'll take any field from the pivot table fields. So I'll take the first name as a value. I can see the total number of count. Now right click on the newly created sheet. Here move or copy. I'll create a copy in new Excel workbook. Press OK. Now I have just extracted the pivot in another Excel sheet. I'll go and see this file on the desktop. So this is my new file. See. So let's see the size of file. And I see it's 4.57 MB. Now I can send this file to my client. But where is the data? I can't see the data. So you have to guide them to double click on this number. So I'll just double click on this number. So if you see the data, it is 8,80,000. In that way, you will be able to send the huge Excel file to the clients. For this kind of tips, subscribe our channel, like and share if you like it. Thank you very much.